Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about Readelf files and the command Readelf. It's pretty convenient. Let me show what I mean. First let me show the file that will be inspected with Readelf. It's just pretty simple. Extract glass with some pointers. It's similar to the previous example. It's just some pointers and printing their values and addresses and some changes, and also printing the number and the address. The option A is just including itself maybe 6 or 7 options. I'll show you later. It's pretty convenient tool because it shows enough information. So we have here elf header with information about the header, then sections, section headers, program headers, other sections, how many entries they contains, dynamic section, relocation section. It's just pretty concise and in good table form. I like it a lot. Histograms and so on. You can play with it. And here the A option. So we have equivalent to specifying this and so on. Actually 8-9 options in just one command, in one option. So it's pretty convenient to display so much options in one. If you have some suggestions on how to improve or other commands that could be used for inspecting binary files, let me know in the comments below. That's all for this video. Until next time, bye bye.